So it's going to employ a lot of people. And on the other hand, it's our own indigenous company. This is the first of its kind. So I want the people of Kano to patronize this cinema so that we'll be able to rupture the zone. We go to Abuja, mostly we go to Abuja, they take you to Silverberg, they take you to Film House. So now in Kano, we have options. We have other cinemas, but this one is actually different because look at the parking streets. So in some other places, you have to go to a mall, and start, following a lot of protocols before you get into the cinema. But this is quite different. So I'm so happy to be part of this. And I promise to lay a helping hand in taking the cinema to another level, to a greater height. I'll do all I can to put in my best. It's not everything about money. It's about you have to be proud of where you're coming from. So when we go to places like Lagos, we'll be telling them that we have our own indigenous cinemas here in Kano that can actually compete with other cinemas around the world. And I'll do all I can to. I'm calling on the people, when you go after inspecting the facility, after seeing the facility, I want you to go and spread the news. Tell people that we have a cinema of international standard here in Kano so that they can come and watch it. Thank you very much. I don't want to take much of your time. Thank you very much.
To masha Allah, cikin jawabin Yakubu Muhammad cikin harshen Turanci bayan ya gabatar da kansa.
Thank you.
Allah ba ma bukatar kowa a wannan wuri yanzu.
Thank you very much. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we have to be civilized. We Kanawans, we are civilized people. Go back. Sir, yes. You have to come along as well. And our brand ambassador, Yakubu Mohammed, sir, you have to join them. You have to select your army. Yakubu Mohammed, I think you have to come along with 2 or 3 people as well, please. Select your armies, please. We don't want then from the beautiful women here. I think maybe you have to join them. Your immediate personnel. I'm gonna join. Now that he reports live. The ones that my sister with the home money. 4 more people, 4 more women. Mommy, please join them. Yes, please, both of you, please join them. Thank you. Samira, please, you have to join them, please. You want to cut the ribbon. How can I do sharp? Please, Can you give them the microphone, please? DJ Minister, join. Thank you very much. We have officially opened the cinema segment.
Drop the cup home. You have brought international honors to the family.
Yanzu da kake zai na wata ka bai a ƙasa. An yi ta ne kuma.
Office ne a yana ko?
Ah, VIP.
Okay, VIP. A da zan
Sama.